क्या रुजबे मस्त जैमिंग चल रहा है
Dude,
तेरा।
मैं आई एम ऑल सेट।
तुझे आता है गिटार बजाने?
तो क्या तू
चल।
चल अभी तू गाना गा के सुना।
ठीक है, ठीक से ना, ठीक से प्ले कर।
एकदम एकदम
ठीक
हाँ,
है।
हाँ।
कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। ऐसा होता है गिटार बजाना।
आ रहा है सुर पकड़ रहा हूँ मैं, तू सुर पकड़ ना, मैं आ रहा हूँ, रिदम आ रहा है मेरे को, आ रहा है तू। हाँ
देख मैं क्लास बार ट्राई कर रही हूँ।
हाँ तू कर हाँ।
ठीक है। कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा।
ए तू क्या रही है, तेरा सुर किधर जा रहा है यार, तू सुर में गा, प्रॉपर सुर में गाना रहता
तेरे
है।
को गिटार बजाना आता नहीं है।
नहीं
That's
नहीं
it.
नहीं मेरे
तेरे
को
नहीं
बैड
आता।
वर्क्समैन ब्लेम्स हिज टूल्स, मैं बजा रहा हूँ ना तेरे लिए गिटार, तू अभी अच्छे से
चल यार रहने दे।
रुक पे क्या चल रहा है भाई?
प्रिंस व्हाट्स अप बड़ी
Hello,
यार, लॉन्ग
Prince,
टाइम।
how are you यार?
क्या हालचाल है?
चल क्या रहा है तुम्हारा?
अरे मैं अभी हम लोग लाइव परफॉर्मेंस प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं ब्रो।
वाओ
यार
हाँ।
एक तो ऑकलैंड में या न्यूजीलैंड में कहीं बॉलीवुड लाइव म्यूजिक नहीं मिला, तो हमने सोचा हम ही थोड़ा ट्राई कर लेते हैं
हाँ।
यार।
चल ये सब
मतलब
थोड़ी
थोड़ा
होता
टफ
तुम्हारा
है लेकिन हाँ
बैक की बात है। शॉर्ट आउट कब आ रहा है भाई?
हाँ
क्या हुआ?
आ रहा है
आएगा
अभी, आएगा
ठीक,
हमारा।
पता नहीं क्या अभी।
मेरे रहते हुए टेंशन क्यों ले रहा है ब्रो? तेरी दोनों प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता हूँ ना।
हाँ
है?
हाँ।
क्या करेगा?
तेरे को शॉर्ट आउट चाहिए,
हाँ
हाँ
तेरे को लाइव म्यूजिक चाहिए,
हाँ
हाँ
दोनों दोनों एक साथ
क्या
अभी।
बात है।
अभी
अभी करो।
Yes! So, बह की बातें शाउट आउट्स, वाओ यार रात का फर्स्ट अपना शूट है
इट
right?
इज या फर्स्ट
Yeah.
शाउट आउट इन द नाइट, मून के नीचे, स्टार्स के नीचे। बेकी बातें शाउट आउट्स में आपका स्वागत है, मैं हूँ रुजबे।
और मैं हूँ देविका।
बड़े समय के बाद हम आए हैं यहाँ पे और एक बहुत धांसू सा इवेंट लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए। दिस इवेंट इज गोइंग टू रॉक योर वर्ल्ड।
डेफिनेटली, और लाइव म्यूजिक, लाइव बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक यार मेरा तो अभी से, बिकॉज आई थिंक द लास्ट लाइव बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक मैंने इंडिया में सुना था।
जो हमारे टाइम के गाने हैं वो हम लाइव सुनने वाले हैं और ये होने वाला है एक बहुत धांसू बैंड 7 to 9 द बैंड, ये लेकर आ रहे हैं हमारे लिए।
हमारे टाइम मतलब 90s होगा, 20s भी होगा, ऐसे नहीं है पुराने गाने होंगे। So we have with us today the lead singer Sachin and the lead guitarist and the founder of 7 to 9 the band. So hi Sachin, how are you?
Hi, good, thank you. Thank you for having us here.
Avi, let us know about the band. How did it all begin? Because you know, I see it as a very passionate story. So I just want to uncover what exactly went behind inception of this band.
Thanks, Vishwa bhai. So a few things in there, twofold really. So we are obviously quite passionate about Hindi music. We all come from different backgrounds. So I came from Western music, although I grew up in traditional Hindi music. There wasn't that much bands doing what we were doing, as in performing like a band where there's a brotherhood and we're all passionate about music. And second fold was as an inspiration to the younger generation. You know, there's so much thought, so much involved around iPads and electronics, and music in general. I felt like was dying. And there's so much good music coming out of Bollywood these days. So I thought I'd get together a group of friends. We're all very passionate about music, inspiration to the younger generation, and also playing the music that we grew up with, and things that sort of when you're sitting down listening to this music brings back memories of your forefathers, of our fathers, and also the modern Bollywood music that incorporates a lot of this really good high quality music.
And honestly speaking, बचपन में मैं live music बहुत सुनती थी, and like the singer of the live music gives like a life to the band, right? So I want to know about it. Like how did you get into live music?
वेल लाइव म्यूज़िक के बारे में मैं यही बोलना चाहूँगा कि लाइव म्यूज़िक इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट टू व्हाट पीपल सिंग ऑन अ कैरियोकी. जो लाइव म्यूज़िक है जस्ट ब्रिंग्स लॉट ऑफ जॉय एंड द एक्चुअलिटी एंड रियलिटी ऑफ व्हाट द बैंड इज़ लाइक. So it's been about 2 years I've been with this band. Never performed in a live band before, but singing's always been in the family, more than a passion. But yeah, so live music is all about just bringing who you are, entertaining people, and just being real. So yeah.
And I have seen Sachin perform as well. Like, you know, when he sings, वो ऐसे जिसको प्यार नहीं हुआ रहता उसको भी प्यार हो जाता है. So, yeah.
That's my genre.
Oh, wow, that's wonderful. I think then people should look forward to it और आने चाहिए शो के लिए. So what are your giveaways? Like what are people should look forward to when they come and watch this?
Well, there will be a huge variety of the songs. You know, we pick the old songs. You know, if someone who's watching Sanam, you know, they will really enjoy because we look into them as well. You know, it's a very successful band. So something similar to them that we do, but we also do a very new songs.
Yeah.
We recreate the music into a bit of a rock, heavy metal, where the drums comes and play. You know, Avi's great on the guitar, so there's no,
Oh,
literally.
he's spectacular.
Oh,
I
he
can
is.
vouch for that.
He's amazing on the guitar, and everything comes along together, and it'll be just a brilliant experience.
Yeah, and I think that's a great teamwork in live music. You need teamwork, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure.
Speaking about teamwork itself, like this, the chemistry that we have on stage and the understanding, it's just something else that being in a band, that's what Sachin was talking about. You know, it's the kind of feel and the connection with the audience when people appreciate your music. It's hard to get that from anything else.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now, one just quick question. Now, because we all have our full-time jobs that we have to do, you know, so that we can papi pet ka sawal. But then also there is this passion that we really strive for, right? And that's why we put in our hard work. How easy or how difficult it is to get everyone together, because it's band, it's not like solo singing. Even if it's solo singing, a whole band has to be together for a performance to go well. How do you guys manage your practice sessions?
Okay, so that is a really good question. One thing I'm very, very grateful for is towards the boys. Everybody is always very dedicated. So we practice every week, sometimes twice a week. And people just make time. And if you're passionate about something, and as we are, we make time. सबके पास बच्चे हैं, काम है, सबके पास और सारा commitments है, as you know. But the brotherhood 7 to 9, na? Yeah. And that's where the name 7 to 9 comes from. There's 7 of us in the group,
Okay.
right? So what I say always, जो दो है वो music है और audience है, put them together, 9 हो जाता है, 7 to 9.
Wow, that's amazing. मेरे को प्रिंस ने कुछ और ही बोला था स्टोरी, उससे मैं बात
वो
करूंगा.
उसकी स्टोरी हम बाद में सुनेंगे अभी उससे. So बैगी बातें शाउट आउट्स में हमारे साथ आज है प्रिंस राजपूत, 7 to 9 द बैंड के मैनेजर.
और उनके साथ डीजे, द साउथ अफ्रीकन डीजे जो बॉलीवुड नंबर्स में रॉक करने वाले हैं, none other than DJ AV. Welcome guys, welcome on board.
Thank you.
Yeah, and thank you for getting such a beautiful show to us, yeah.
Thanks a
Prince,
lot.
yeah, I want to first start with you. So 7 to 9, the band. इसकी कहानी सुनाओ हमें.
So finally, I think अभी ने बता दिया ना क्या real name का मतलब क्या है. So I've been actually kidding कि you know we practice 7 to 9, 7 to 9. That's the reason we gave the name. But actually, that is not the reason. The reason is what Avi told you.
Okay, so now Prince, getting into the topic, this event has been a long aspiration, isn't it?
It has been, to be honest, it's been 2 years now, right? 2 साल से हम लोग practice कर रहे हैं, and we wanted to have this event, but we wanted to go perfect, you know.
Right.
So we could have done it a year ago as well, but we were not ready. और इस event के लिए we have prepared 30 plus songs, you know, live with a band with 6-7 piece of music instrument. It's not that easy to sing, and especially if you are from Delhi and Mumbai, you know वो Delhiite वाला होता है ना कि when you go to a club you want to see rock concerts, you miss the vibe of somebody playing live music, and in Auckland we don't have that thing. So we had
And-
this passion.
Yeah, and also Bollywood live music Auckland में मिलना, Auckland के न्यूजीलैंड में मिलना is something really
And
different.
one thing also is like live music में मिलता है लेकिन अपने generation का, you know. So that is also something that you have touched our hearts. मुझे honestly जैसे आपने launch किया ये event को, मेरे को messages आने शुरू हो गए कि भाई कब हो रहा है event, कहाँ है, you know, tickets का करो. Tell our viewers right now, where can they get the tickets from if they are still available?
Right, good question. So, because see, this is our passion, right? So the event has been launched with some really mind-boggling prices for the event. Only $15 for single people and $25 for couples. I think lowest price you would find in any event. Plus, these are the early bird tickets. So 123 tickets have been sold of early bird out of 150. So only few left for early bird price.
And by the time this video gets out, maybe
You
early
never
bird is
know,
gone.
maybe tickets बाकी भी नहीं रहेंगे.
Right.
So you have to be like फटाफट जाओ और tickets खरीदो.
And for bulk buying, they can actually contact me if they have groups, 10 and above. They want to get as a group. They can contact me and I can get the tickets sorted. But not on the day if it's sold out. I can't get the tickets sorted. Don't call me Ruzbe. Bhai entry करवा दे. You know?
No door sales, guys.
Bhai entry करवा दे. No.
No door sales.
इसने हमारा पहला वीडियो देखा है. नहीं पहले से बुक करूंगा.
I know. Door open from 9.
Okay.
उसके बाद we'll have performance for 2 hours live band. And then we'll have DJ Kaz who's gonna be basically opening the event for 1 hour. But then we'll have our main DJ Aveline who's gonna be kicking off the night and will make you all dance and entertain. Yeah, dance till you drop.
Wow.
So DJ Avi, tell me this. We already know you're from South Africa. How come Bollywood music, bro?
I guess it's just the community in New Zealand. We have to just cater to what people are requesting. We have all the music. We have all the right places. We have the band ready to go. We got the music. We're gonna have the shisha. It's gonna be a amazing night. We've been planning for this for a little while. As you hear, 2 years, and this is our launch event.
Right.
It's
Yeah.
gonna be
So have you always been listening to Bollywood music?
yeah.
That's
Throughout
good.
my life, even in South Africa, we listen to a lot of Indian music. We sing the songs.
Yeah. Okay. What's your favorite track? Come on, I'm putting you on the spot now. But what's your favorite track?
Oh, there's so many, man. How can I choose? I'm a DJ, right?
Perfect answer, buddy.
Single out any.
By the way, we will be having Neil Patel. We'll be featuring Neil Patel along with our band. Will be singing with us and we'll be doing the performance.
So there's going to be a lot of surprises, a lot of fun, and it's going to be an event full of, I think, emotion. And
Emotion,
these are-
vibe,
Yeah.
drama, music, मस्ती सब कुछ
Oh
रहेगा
my
I guess
God,
इसमें.
yes.
और शीशा लाइव बैंड के साथ
Yeah.
so
और क्या चाहिए live
we got
band,
Smoke Shah who is our shisha provider. His first event, we have launched him with this gig. We are getting a lot of support from the community, like we are getting a lot of support from friends, from sponsors and whatnot. So we, in the same manner, we would like to support somebody who just started the shisha business. So
The event is going to happen on the 22nd of May.
22nd of May and 9 p.m. onwards. For anybody who's here before 10, we're gonna do a draw for $200 cash and a champagne bottle.
Wow.
So maybe you're liquor sorted for the night, right?
And also the event is happening in Glasgow.
In Glasgow. And a big thank you to Fun Masters, who is our main sponsor, who has actually launched us for this event. So thank you, Fun Master, for believing in us. Dave Dhingra. Param from Barford, thank you for believing in us. And also Victor Immigration, who has been our one of the co-hosts as well. Thank you. Without your support, I don't think we can make it.
So that's amazing. Thank you so much, Prince and Avi, for joining us. And we are really looking forward to party. Party होने वाली है. Party होने वाली है. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. But thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure to have a chat with you.
दिल का दरिया बह ही गया राहों में यूं जो तू मिल गया मुश्किल से मैं संभला था टूट गया हूँ फिर एक दफा बात बिगड़ी है इस कदर दिल है टूटा टूटे हैं हम तेरे बिन न लेंगे एक भी दम तुझे कितना चाहे और हम